Hello and welcome to ApeCoin, and it's nice to see you. So welcome back. I'm glad to see you here if it's your first time, and let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so today we will be reviewing the Exodus wallet and the company as a whole and just see, is it worth getting? Is it worth the hype? What is it all about? And basically everything you need to know. So let's do it. And the first one is this a custodial or a non-custodial wallet? And I can tell you that it is a non-custodial wallet. Then number two, okay, has Exodus ever been hacked? And the great answer is no. Well, okay, so that's a very good thing. Number three, is Exodus easy to use? And I can tell you this is one of the easiest non-custodial wallets to use, to be honest. It's really user-friendly. So number four, does Exodus have an exchange? The reason why I ask these questions is sometimes the non-custodial wallets include exchanges in the wallet, which makes things a lot easier, and sometimes they don't, which means you have to send your crypto somewhere, exchange it, do whatever you want to do, send it back, and then when you receive it back, obviously there were costs involved. So that's why I ask this question over here. And there's good news, actually. It does have an exchange, a rather big exchange as well. So that is a very, very good thing, but we'll get to that a bit later. Okay, and then I want to ask, can Exodus manage my hardware wallet? Well, the answer is yes, they do actually accommodate that. Now, does it have only a desktop application or only a cell phone application? Because sometimes wallets only have either one of the two. And the answer is they've got both, and they cater for any operating system that you can think of, and it's really easy to set up. There's a link to the video that shows you how to set this up in the description below and on the screen. So check that out to set the wallet up. It's really easy to do. Anyway, how many coins do they accommodate? Now, this is ridiculous. It's more than 180 coins on desktop though. The other thing is not all coins are supported on the app. When we talk about wallets, we have to talk about fees because the wallet must make money and they must stay alive, and this is how they do it. So there are several kinds of fees. The first one is when you are sending crypto. Usually this is the most expensive in any wallet. If you're sending crypto from your wallet to someone, you will pay some fee. Okay. Luckily, in Exodus, there are no fees. Okay, then there's another fee. What if you are receiving crypto? Usually wallets don't charge too much on this side, but luckily in Exodus, there are also no fees. However, I have to say something about this. Whenever you are sending or receiving crypto through Exodus or any wallet whatsoever, you will always encounter some fees. The reason for this is because you have to go through the blockchain, and the blockchain charges money. Number three, this is if you want to buy cryptocurrency with your fiat currency. That means I arrive at Exodus, I say, cool, I opened a wallet, I want to buy Bitcoin with whatever fiat currency I have. Okay, Exodus uses a third-party company to help you to change your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. They use the third party that's called Ramp. Okay, and yes, there will be fees through them, and those fees will change as time goes on. Then the fourth one is crypto to fiat. So this is now that you've made your millions and you became the crypto billionaire. After that, if you want to withdraw your money and you want to change your crypto back into fiat currency, unfortunately, that is not possible. Number five, the exchange. And this is one of Exodus's strong points, is the fact that they've got a exchange that's on board in the wallet. And this makes it really easy, like I said earlier. But anyway, so on the exchange, you will encounter some fees. And yes, Exodus's exchange is a bit more expensive than the average exchange, but there are reasons for this. First of all, you don't have to send your money anywhere to do an exchange. Like I said earlier, you can literally exchange and the money is in your wallet. So you're not sending money all over the place. You're literally just changing the money and it's there. So let's talk about a few special features of Exodus. Now, okay, number one is you can stake your coins really, really easy. It's physically a press of a few buttons and your coins are staked. Some of the coins that you hold already earn interest as you hold them. Then the next thing is the interface is very user friendly. I can't stress this enough. It looks incredible. It's everything. You can find anything really easy. And next thing is they've got a built-in exchange. And yeah, like we said, it's very, very user friendly. The market cap at the moment, 359 million. And then the last question, the customer service. And I've tried them and I've looked around on the internet for other people's opinions. And apparently it is approved. They have a really, really good customer service. Okay, now on the stake, because they've got 6 coins that you can stake. If you stake this, it takes 25 days. And then they start paying you some of the interest every 5 days. So that's that one. But the rest of them each have their own rules. So let me just run through them. That's Allogran, Cosmos, Neo, Tezos, and VeChain. So all of them have their own different set of rules. Some of them, like I said, you can literally start earning interest as soon as you pay them into your wallet. You don't even have to activate them. With some of them, you have to activate some features. Okay, so that's the thing. So in summary, it is a great non-custodial wallet. It's brilliant for somebody that's moving from your first wallet, your custodial wallet, into the custodial environment where you want to use exchanges, where you're literally taking the step from beginner to a more advanced crypto holder. Then the second thing is it has the exchange and the staking, and everything happens in one place, which means your entire crypto environment, everything can happen in one place. And then they've got hundreds of coins and they're adding and removing all the time. So yeah, so that's what I'm saying. We can't put an exact number on that because that's up and down all the time. So that's going to change as cryptocurrencies come and go. For me as a person, I find the only one big issue with Exodus is the fact that they don't have a fiat exchange.